Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 16. Today's we are going to continue the analytics tool, the Google Analytics tool. So as you can see, you have the acquisitions. So click on this one and click on the overview sections. So it's showing you the overall stats related to your websites. If you want to view the visitors, that how many visitors or how much visitors coming from the organic or the socials direct referral. So we have some kind of crowds. One is the organic and second is from the social network direct referral or the campaigns. So this is the organic traffic. Organic traffic are those, yeah, ye organic wala kaat dena. So what is the organic traffic? Let's suppose if you are a person and you are finding something on a Google website, on the Google search engine. So if you type high speed bus architecture, so now you can see Google showing you the results. If you click on this one, that means you have clicked on a link and visitors visiting my website here. So for me, I have the one visitor which comes from the organic search. Fine. So you can see the people are coming from the social networks. Click on the social networks. So from the YouTube and from the Facebook, mostly persons coming from my website on the YouTube. So as you can see, 57% crowd. So I have 42% crowd coming from the Facebook website. Okay, just click on the overview. If you click on the organic, so Google shows you the information. So now as you can see, I have the organic traffic here, the stats overall. If you click on the overview, you also have some kind of other informations. Okay, if you click on the search console, loading page speed, so Google also shows you the speed of your page or the impressions, clicks, CTR or some other kind of information. So now you can see it's a search console. So this informations I think coming from the search console. So that's why it's on the search console. Okay, fine. If you click on the social overview, Google shows you the overview of the social networks performance. So you have the session 1 point, so 1065. Okay, so click on this one. It's not showing you something. You have the 54% visitors coming from the YouTube and also the Facebook. Just click on the YouTube. So now as you can see, you have the persons are visiting the website from the YouTube to your website. So you can see how to install the SSL certificate, and these are the pages because I have used this pages or I have inserted these pages in the descriptions of my videos on the YouTube. So that's why people are coming from the YouTube videos by clicking those particular links. Okay, so conversions, you have the conversion sections and you also have some other kind of sections here. Campaigns, let's suppose if you're running some kind of campaigns on the Google AdWord or some other kind of platforms, that particular information appears here. So I think this is enough for today. In the next section we are going to cover the behavior sections on the analytics tools. So I think you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.